More tips from the master chef. What were you saying about the knife? How come you weren't using that big knife over there?
It would be not safe, I think. It's just too big. It's easier to use a small knife. A serrated one at that, I recommend.
Oh, okay.
And peel it away. That's too big.
It gives you a little bit more control, I see.
It does.
And I've noticed you still have a few seeds now and again that go over into your little mixture over there. That's okay, right?
That's okay. It's not gonna bother me. Same thing if I have some of the skin that goes in there.
You're trying to get the majority of the skin off, the majority of the seeds.
I'm not gonna bother taking every.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's okay. Because remember, the water already, or the stock, is already spicy enough. This is just to add to it. I mean, just boiling the jalapenos in the water has already made it spicy.
Oh, that's true. I mean, if you wanted, I like that. That's a good tip. That if you don't want it as spicy, maybe. You just take the jalapenos out and it's already spiced up the water to a certain extent, and you would have it kind of mild at this point without putting any of this concoction back in, right?
Right. But
all right.
I want it spicy.
Okay.
Or even what I've done sometimes is put like half of this and then just don't use the rest.
Right.
But,
so I guess it's a little trial and error. Do it with half maybe, and if you want it spicier, know that next time you got to put in some more, or vice versa.
You'll eventually get your own taste of what you like.
Yeah.
You just don't drink, really.
Because I guess it's kind of healthy to have spicy stuff now and again, huh? For your immune system?
It's good for preventing blood clots.
Is it?
It is.
Okay.
It's too small for me to peel, so just it's good also for the nasals. It opens up your nasals so you breathe better.
So if you're kind of stopped up a little bit, put a little bit of this in your soup.
It'll open up your sinuses.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Hey, hurry up, will you?
And cut a finger off in the process there, Joe?
Looks like you're about ready to put that in the soup.
I am.
All right. That right there you're putting in the soup. Oh, you got it. Did you cut that all up?
It's not chopped. It's
Oh.
just peeled away, but.
Okay.
It is very fine. Again, I don't want to see it. I just want to taste it. And I want it all over the soup. I want it every spoonful to have some of this. I'm going to chop it really fine. You can see this is a pulp.
Yeah.
Oh, this is going to taste so good. Again, I recommend people wear gloves. Like this.
Smelling pretty good over there. You still got a ways to cook this down. What, another 20 minutes or so?
Yeah, I added that water to it, so it brought the temperature back down. Oh, look at that.
So because you added that water, you got to let it all soak in there and heat back up now, don't you?
And boil.
Okay, so you leave the lid off like that, because if you put that lid on right now and walk away from here, what's going to happen?
It's going to boil over.
It's going to boil over and make a huge mess all over the stove. We don't want that.
No.
Okay, so how much longer do you think? 20 minutes, 25 minutes?
Possibly. Again, I'm going to check on it off and on. Where's my big spoon?
Well, I mean, a first timer who's making this soup, they're not going to know the ins and outs about checking on it, are they?
It's good to check on it. You don't want mushy vegetables.
Well, how do you know? That's the $100,000 question when you're making soup like this. How do you know when cooking it too much is too much?
That's why you should check it periodically.
You check it periodically and you just kind of
I go in there and
you taste them or what?
No, I just tap on the vegetable. But that's still hard.
Yeah.
I mean, it's going to get mushy eventually because I'm going to heat it and eat it for several days. So I don't want to start with super mushy vegetables. I want them done. But
They're going to be done. They're not going to be so firm that they're chewy. You don't want them or crunchy. You don't want that.
no.
Right? Okay, so you're going to check on this in another 20 minutes or so.
I am. Yeah. I'm going to about 15 minutes or so.
Okay.
I'm going to come and check.
15 more minutes. Okay,
Have soup.
let's do it.